Anytime you like start a car or turn off a car, like on this one here, you're getting that clicking. It's because these actuators, they move, they go into their home position or they go into the position you demanded for. And when these actuators are failing, or even inside the HVAC box here, if the door itself is not working, it's creating this clicking noise because you're hearing it not be able to go into position. And so something's going to be rounded out or broken or damage or something like that, but it goes away, which is a good thing here. But anytime I'm playing with the settings and moving it from going through the front vents to the bottom vents, which is going to be the blend door actuator or the blend mode on this truck, that's what's actually created the noise.